Welcome to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge.
What does takbir mean in Youm-e-Takbeer? Victory, power, glory, God is great. Correct answer is God is great. Which mountain range was the site of the nuclear test? Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Kharan. Correct answer is Hindu Kush. What type of nuclear tests were conducted by Pakistan at Youm-e-Takbeer? Underwater, underground, atmospheric, space. Correct answer is underground. Which organization is responsible for Pakistan nuclear weapons program? ISI, TAC, SPARCO, NESCOM. Correct answer is TAC. How did the international community respond to Pakistan nuclear tests? Sanctions, praise, ignored, super. Correct answer is sanctions. What is the significance of Chagall 1 in Pakistan history? Independence, first nuclear test, winning World Cup, economic reforms. Correct answer is first nuclear test. Which Pakistani scientist is known as the father of Pakistan nuclear program? Abdul Kabir Khan, Abdul Salam, Samar Mubarakman, Pervez Hodbay. Correct answer is Abdul Kabir Khan. Which country assisted Pakistan in its early nuclear program? United States, China, Saudi Arabia, Russia. Correct answer is China. How did Pakistan nuclear test affect its regional status? Weakened, strengthened, neutral, unaffected. Correct answer is strengthened. That Pakistan did not sign NPT, START, CTBT, SALT. Correct answer is NPT. What does the PAC stand for in the context of Pakistan nuclear program? Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission or others? Correct answer is Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission. Why does Pakistan commemorate Youm-e-Takbeer annually? Military parade, public holidays, special fairs, sports events. Correct answer is special fairs.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.